Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw on Sketchup. First, let's get comfortable with the interface. You'll want to use the Orbit tool to look around your three-dimensional space. Then, grab the Line tool to draw straight edges, or the Rectangle tool for quick two-dimensional shapes. Remember, Sketchup works best when you draw on a specific plane, like the ground or a wall. Practice these basics to build a strong foundation for your designs. Now that you can create two-dimensional shapes, it's time to bring them to life in 3 dimensions. The Push/Pull tool is your best friend here. Simply select a face and click and drag to extrude it, adding depth or height. You can type in exact measurements, like 10 feet or 2 meters, for precise control. Don't forget to orbit around your model frequently to check your progress from every perspective. This step is where your ideas truly take shape. Ready to add more intricate details? The Arc tool lets you draw smooth curves, while the Circle tool creates perfect circular shapes with a specified radius. For instance, you might draw a circle with a 2-foot radius. The Offset tool is fantastic for creating borders or walls by duplicating lines inward or outward by a specific distance, like 6 inches. Grouping objects helps keep your model tidy and makes editing much easier as your design grows. Finally, let's refine and organize your SketchUp model. The Move tool allows you to reposition objects accurately, while the Rotate tool helps you orient them correctly, perhaps by 90 degrees. Applying materials, like wood or brick, adds realism and visual appeal to your surfaces. You can even adjust their scale. Using layers, also known as tags, is crucial for managing visibility and keeping complex projects organized. These steps help you present a polished and professional design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.